Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Get ready for a wild ride as we dive into the high-stakes world of Bitcoin and crypto with our latest video, Trump and Musk's urgent high-stakes gamble, crypto's fate in their hands. Strap in because we're about to explore how the upcoming Trump-Musk interview could shake up the crypto universe with both being pro-crypto powerhouses. But that's not all. We are also breaking down how July's core PPI report might spell trouble for Bitcoin, the CPI report's potential to either squeeze or boost the market, and the impact of US jobs and retail data. And let's not forget Bitcoin's current tightrope walk at $58,000. Will it bounce back or take a plunge? We've got all the insights, a few surprises, and maybe even a laugh or two along the way. So before we dive into this crypto roller coaster, remember, this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Let's get started. Could it shake up Bitcoin and crypto? This week is jam-packed with major US economic events, but the one that could really shake things up for Bitcoin and digital assets is Donald Trump's interview with Elon Musk. Set to happen on Monday, August the 12th at 8 p.m. ET via X Spaces, the interview promises to be unscripted and open to all topics. Musk has even invited everyone to submit questions they'd like to discuss. Now, Musk is known for being pro-Trump, and there's talk that the CEO of X has created a super PAC to support candidates who are all about meritocracy and personal freedom. On Sunday, Musk mentioned he's doing some system ceiling tests in preparation for the interview. A smart move given the platform's shaky performance during last year's interview with Florida Governor Ron DeSantis. With both Trump and Musk being pro-crypto, it's almost certain that Bitcoin and other digital assets will come up in their conversation. After all, Trump made some bullish comments about crypto during the Nashville conference, so that this interview could have big implications for the crypto world. Think of the interview as a dance-off between Trump and Musk, with Bitcoin and crypto as the audience. Their moves, whether bold or conservative, could have the market dancing with joy or stepping back in uncertainty as they showcase their pro-crypto rhythms. But worry not, fearless crypto adventurers. We're here to arm you with the insights and strategies you need to navigate the wild twists and turns of the crypto world, especially with Trump and Musk set to shake things up. If you're excited to see how their influence could impact Bitcoin and beyond, smash that like button down below and let's dive in. Watch out for July's core PPI impact on Bitcoin and crypto. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics, or BLS, is dropping some crucial info with July's Core Producer Price Index, or PPI report, and it's got the crypto world on edge. This data, which measures price hikes at the producer level, is a big deal because it reflects inflation at the wholesale stage. If the PPI shows a spike, it could mean rising costs for energy and hardware, key ingredients for mining and processing cryptocurrencies. So if the core PPI, set to be announced on August 13, comes in hot, it could put some serious pressure on Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. Economists are predicting a 2.2% year-over-year increase, which is a bit cooler than June's numbers. However, the core PPI, which cuts out those unpredictable food and energy prices, is expected to rise by 2.7%, slightly down from the previous 3%. So buckle up, this report could shake things up. Think of the core PPI report as a new piece of the crypto market's jigsaw puzzle. A spike in inflation is like adding a tricky piece that could change how the whole picture looks, either making it clearer or throwing the whole puzzle into disarray. What it means for Bitcoin and crypto. Get ready because the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, or BLS, is about to drop the July Consumer Price Index, or CPI report, and it's going to be a wild ride for the crypto world. This report is all about tracking price hikes in the stuff we buy every day, consumer goods and services. The experts are expecting the CPI to go up by 2.9% year over year, with the core CPI, which leaves out those unpredictable food and energy prices, set to rise by 3.2%. Both numbers are slightly cooler than June's figures, but they still pack a punch. So what does this mean for Bitcoin and crypto? Well, if the CPI climbs, it could squeeze consumers' wallets, making them spend less and possibly cooling off the crypto market. But hold up, there's another twist. As the purchasing power of good old fiat currencies dip, more people might look at crypto as a haven to protect their wealth. In that case, rising inflation could actually boost demand for Bitcoin and other digital assets, potentially driving their prices up. So, keep your eyes peeled. This CPI report could be a game changer. Think of the CPI report as a tug of war between your wallet and rising prices. If CPI goes up, it's like the opposing team pulling harder, making it tougher for you to spend. This might mean fewer purchases in the crypto market. On the flip side, if fiat currency's power drops, it's like your team getting extra reinforcements, making crypto more appealing as a safe bet. But hey, let's take a moment to celebrate your passion for crypto and curiosity about these game-changing developments. If you found this dive into Trump and Musk's influence on Bitcoin and crypto insightful and engaging, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Your support is crucial as we continue to explore these exciting shifts and bring you the latest updates on our thrilling crypto journey together. US jobs and retail data. The Census Bureau will release its report on US job claims along with July's retail and food services sales data, and all eyes are on the numbers. Economists are predicting a modest 0.3% month-over-month bump in retail sales, a slight improvement from June's flat performance. If we exclude auto sales, retail sales are expected to grow by just 0.1%, which is a bit of a slowdown. With fears of a recession still lingering and keeping investors on edge, everyone's hoping that consumer spending shows some resilience. But here's the kicker. Bitcoin and Ethereum usually don't fare too well when the US economy is on the brink of a recession. On top of that, investors are pulling back as crypto prices dip below the average entry point for ETF investors, which is around $60,000. So this upcoming report could have a significant impact on the crypto market, adding another layer of uncertainty to the mix. Picture the US jobs and retail data as a game of Jenga. Each report is like pulling out a block from the tower. A modest 0.3% bump in retail sales is like a small adjustment, making the tower wobble slightly. But if the economy shows cracks, it's like the tower teetering on the edge, with the Bitcoin and Ethereum potentially taking a tumble as investors worry about recession. A tense waiting game. This week, all eyes are on the University of Michigan's August Consumer Sentiment Survey, a key indicator of how Americans feel about their financial situation. It's a big deal because it highlights the gap between the economy's continued strength and what's really going on in people's wallets. In July, consumers expected inflation to be around 2.9% for the coming year, marking a near 3.5-year low. For the August 16 release, expectations are for a 67.5 reading, slightly higher than before. It's important to note that consumer sentiment is more affected by inflation, while consumer confidence is more linked to the job market. If the data shows that people are still grappling with inflation, high interest rates, and job worries, the crypto market could react in unexpected ways. The connection between crypto and the US economy isn't always clear-cut, and market reactions to data releases can be unpredictable. Traders often make moves before the data even drops, so the initial impact on crypto prices might not be what you'd expect. All in all, it's a tense waiting game that could swing the market in any direction. Think of the survey as a crystal ball predicting the future of the crypto market. If it reveals ongoing concerns about inflation and job stability, it's like looking into the crystal ball and seeing a swirling, unclear image. Traders are trying to guess what the future holds, and the initial market reaction might be like trying to interpret a vague, cloudy vision. Bitcoin has dipped back into the $58,000 range after peaking at $61,858 on Sunday, but this drop could be just a case of weekend volatility. As we kick off the week, traders are keeping a close eye on upcoming US economic data that could shake things up. Bitcoin is hovering around a crucial demand zone, and this could be a prime buying opportunity. If the $55,313 support level holds strong on the one-day chart. But here's the catch. Momentum indicators like the Relative Strength Index or RSI are showing that the bulls might be losing steam. If positive news comes from the US macroeconomic front, it might just give Bitcoin the push it needs to climb back up, lifting the entire crypto market with it. But if that $55,313 support crumbles and the price closes below it, we could see Bitcoin take a tumble, possibly diving for a liquidity sweep below $52,398. It's a nail-biting situation, with Bitcoin balancing on a tightrope between bullish optimism and a potential downward spiral. Visualize Bitcoin as a roller coaster that just dropped from a thrilling peak of $61,858 to a mid-ride dip of $58,000. The $55,313 support is like the ride's critical checkpoint. If Bitcoin manages to climb past this point, it might shoot back up the track. But if it loses momentum and drops below this checkpoint, it could plummet to a lower point, adding a thrilling twist to the ride. Before we wrap things up, we've got one last thing to ask you, our awesome viewers. If you found our deep dive into Trump and Musk's influence on crypto both enlightening and exciting, hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on how these power players might impact the crypto space and what you want to see in our future videos. Your support fuels our passion for delivering top-notch content, and we can't wait to continue this thrilling journey with you.